Look at us on the pavement, my bro. On the. Let me just zoom in. See. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so today is basically a continuation of yesterday's video. So I'm on my way now. Actually to pick up the trunk boot lid, majiggy thingy. So yeah, the guy phoned me just now, told me now the part is in, need to collect it. Boom, we're gonna collect it, and after collecting it, we're gonna collect my brother because he's at school. We're gonna fetch him and then probably go straight to the mechanic. If not, we'll see what the day has in store. So yeah, guys, stick with me, rock with me, like, comment, subscribe. You know, like I said yesterday, get me at least 250 subscribers, you know, just to get that motivation. But yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see on the channel. Now there's a few of you here, but comment down below, let me know. Yeah, check you guys when I see you. Okay, so see ya, ne? I had to just do this because this is getting a little bit hectic. From home, bruh, from home. See another one. I don't know for what is going on, nah? I'm in a hurry, nah, because Kiandra's coming out half past 2. It's like half past 1 something. I don't know. Every single robot is red. There's no robot that I went past that is green. It's red, like there's another one. And it's just changing just when. Hey man, stop being bad like, who is he? Yes. But yeah, guys, I don't even know what to talk about. This is so weird, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I get there. Deuces. Okay, guys, we are here. We are at the BMW. So yeah, let's go have a look. This joint is very dirty. But yeah, let's go have a look at what these people have to say. Yeah, I'll catch you on the inside. You're not saying anything. Okay, guys, so this is Jerry. Yeah. Yeah. It's not vibrating.
Then it's not working.
Thanks, guys. So yes, We done, guys. We done for the day. I just need to give my dad a call quickly. Look at us. Oh, look at us beast. Let us just have a look. Cause this guy is a beauty. But then my boot still can't open. Okay, guys, I'm here. We got the thing. Yes, that's what it looks like. The thing that's been irritating me for a couple of days now, for 2 days basically. But yeah, that's the thing I was waiting for. So now I think, where am I going to now? I can't go home because home is far. So I think I'm gonna go to Kianri school, and then from here we're gonna go and get this thing installed. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get there. Yes, like I'm here by my brother's school. Look at this mess here. This is messed up. It's like this, nah. Come I show you in the rear view. Right, a little bit. Little bit. The police were just sitting here now when I pulled in. Disappear. Gone. Metro. C43. But yeah, like I was saying, these people are just useless. The police, they were literally just sitting here in us whole gemor traffic. See, it's bumper to bumper everywhere. From here right to the back, it's a mess. It's chaos. So now imagine when the school children must come out. I mean, and I guarantee this isn't even the transport and all that stuff. This is just, I don't know. Yeah, guys. It's bad outside. Check the taxis. The taxis is even driving on a pavement. Yo. Hey guys, I need to get a camera, cause you know what? Every time I try to like change or turn the screen, I have to stop recording. But hey, it is what it is, man. Look at us on the pavement, my bro. On the pavement. Look at it. Look, on the pavement. And now they're gonna cut traffic. See, let me just zoom in. See. Now they're gonna cut traffic. Yo. Yeah, man, this is weird. This is funny. And mind you, it's never like this, nah. This is like, yo. And then come and tell you, camera doesn't do it justice. See, there's metro again there. There they going. Do you see? They're not even gonna stop and direct traffic or anything. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, even more. Look yeah. Yo, it's messed up. But what do I wanna say? Listen, yeah, but this morning, it was so cold. It was so cold this morning. Look, I have and I'm wearing all black today. I'm gonna give you guys a drop check when I get home, cause today I'm feeling myself. Today. But anyway, I don't know. I'll talk to you guys when I get back, cause I'm burning. It was so cold this morning. Now I'm sweating all over, everywhere. I'm sweating. It is hot. In this aircon. Let me check if it works. I think it works. Check a mess. Look at a mess here. Oh Lord. What was it now? What did I stroke? Ooh. Up. Ooh. What was it now? Did I bomb the taxi? Yo, die bumper takes his light. Yo, die bumper takes his light. And it shows you this man don't care. He's just gonna drive off like nothing it happened. Yo. Yo, it's goed zo. Cause he wanna be a spras. Die tikkie owner rouders man. Ja, goed zo. Goed. But look at us guys. And I'm sitting here. I got here like what? 5 to 2. This is very early. 5 to 2. It's almost 2:30 now. Not 5 to 5 past 2. It's almost 2:30 now. And it's still like this. See, there's another taxi gonna make a U-turn. What is he doing? Yeah, Nick guys. Ooh. Okay, so yeah guys. Unfortunately can't get a hold of the mechanic. So I'm gonna be the mechanic today. Yeah, I'm gonna be the mechanic. So yeah. We're gonna come and show you guys. Follow me man. Yeah, so this is the box that we got from BMW. Yeah, so let's try and install this. I think I must no, we're just gonna do it in this one video because I can't make 3 videos of one topic. Don't make no sense. So yeah, this is the one. If you can just come closer, you're gonna see. If you look at it nicely, they pretty much are the same. This one is locked, it's not spinning. So yeah, let us try and we're gonna have to take all these joints out here and then I'll get back to you.
Dear, now what is this here?
This
Yeah.
this is your emergency exit thing. So now basically this, if I lock you now in a boot now and you pull this thing, it's gonna open the boot automatically. So it's like an emergency exit kind of thing. So now basically what happened is this thing is locked, right? So now when you pull this emergency exit thing, this thing's supposed to open. You understand? But it's not opening. So that's why we had to go and buy this thing to replace it. So hopefully if we do that, it's gonna work and then we're back to normal. So yeah, let's see. Okay guys, so basically I have a small issue. Number one, I don't have tools. So if you can see yeah, these screws that is keeping the lock in place, it's Allen key dangasas. So I need to find, did you find one? Yeah, let's see. Nah, still too big. Still too big. So I think that's like our only option, our only problem now that we're facing. So yeah, yeah. So just bad boy. I'm gonna get him in and then the issue will be fixed.
Two, three.
Okay guys, so we finally managed to get the boy out. So let's see what's. Okay guys, so just to recap what happened. So yesterday lights went off, it was cold, I gave up. Okay, I didn't give up, but it was cold and dark. couldn't put this thing in. Fell asleep, and then my father came home out of nowhere, and then he just did it, you know. So I wanted to show you the install. It's working. It's working. Finally, you know. So, but now the issue is the key is giving out problems because the battery is dying, so it doesn't want to open on a regular. So come and show you guys on the dash. Yeah, if you can just see, you see on the dash it's gone. It's no more showing that the boot is open. So yeah, that will be it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. So in the next video, when you see me wearing nothing, you don't say I boy didn't change, because I'm ending this video. I'm gonna start another video just now. So yeah, peace.